Hey guys!
Hey!
Welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're doing our Glamlite paint palette reveal.
Cause she here.
We did the pre-order the day it came out. It was shipping, by the 29th of August, so we got it, in 3 days?
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Super fast.
Yeah.
It's still available for pre-order. You can buy it for, we just confirmed price, for
Yes.
$45. Just open it up.
This is how it came, very protected. And then we have a little card as well.
That I almost just slung across the room. Here's the front.
Face on me. And you can always save 15% if you just use Glam 15 on like any of your orders. And I actually use Glam 15 to buy these, so it works on like new releases too. So
nice.
Yeah.
I love the packaging. So we're just opening it up. You have your little brush here that's secured on the side. It has a
large
little
and in charge
protective sleeve here that has their logo all over it. Cute, cute.
Gorgeousness.
I love the way that it opens.
Oh.
I gotta get it out of here.
This is just so much better in person.
Do you feel like a real artiste?
Yes. Like the PR videos are not doing this enough justice. Like
this is a little like it's kind of giving me like the Alien palette vibes, which I'm sure that like anything that opens like this, like that's always how it's gonna be regardless of the size of the palette.
Yeah. Oh, my gosh, does it fold all the way back?
It do.
Okay, I'm like,
it's like a toilet seat almost. You know, like one of those really old timey ones that you'd see in like a trailer or an RV or something that's like wood and then it has the on top. Not that that's anything bad. It's just vibes.
Oh my gosh.
I like it. I love the layout that has all the mattes on the outside and shimmers on the inside. But okay, why are there's a lot of blues in this? I forgot how many blues and like purples.
Blues, purples, you get one pink.
But if you own anything else from Glamlite, you will be aware that a lot of it has browns and neutrals in it. So I guess this was the opportunity to really put in those blue shades and purples and greens and whatever that you can't put in like food. I wish the white color had been in mattes, but I understand that there wasn't really room on the outside for it to be matte, and it would be kind of weird to have it in the center as a matte.
So I feel like that if they added a shadow here, then they would have to add one here.
I wouldn't want one like that close to the outside. Like my finger would go right in it. Let's check out this brush. So it's a nice flat edge, which is interesting because it's angled as well. And I'm like, do I want to blend with this?
That was my one thought when looking at this brush being included in the palette. I was like, really?
It feels nice, but
yeah, I would, I don't know, not expect, but more of like a fluffy brush maybe.
That's what I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, but when I saw the angle, I was like, I would use this to blend out my base. So my concealer, if I had, I'm gonna add the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick to my whole entire eye, and this is what I'll use to blend, but I don't think I would place a shadow.
It's a large angle brush for the eye, just personally. I have a smaller eye space than Chip does. Like she has a lot more of brow space than I do. I have more lid space than she does.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
I probably still just wouldn't use the brush just because like I want to keep it pristine.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna slide her back in here.
We're gonna use this. My first Glamlite brush.
It feels nice though, nice and soft.
Nice quality.
And then if you guys were curious, the way that this box closes, it has magnetic closure.
All right, so I'm just gonna do my base, and my base will be the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Drug Lord, and I'm just gonna put that all over, and I will use the Glamlite brush to blend it all out because I want these colors to pop like no other.
I almost wish that there was like a little Velcro strap. I know that would have like pushed the pricing of the packaging up, but I kind of wish that it was just like just to hold the lid from like, because like the one thing I like about the Alien palette is it has the magnetic closure on the lip, so it kind of secures a little bit more, but like this is an acrylic top, you couldn't put a magnet in it, so like that's just... Didn't the Taco palette have like a light white in it like this? The onion shade? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. So I'm doing cut crease and then white and black lids. So I guess I'm going to work on blending my eyeshadow first. I'm gonna take the Morphe M330 to do that. It's just a trusty blender. And so on one eye we're gonna have cool tones and then the other eye warm tones. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into that. I'm gonna do a green first.
Wash you later. We're going in with yellow. And oh, I just love that the shades are so simple to pronounce.
I love how like true to like a dollar store paint kit this is. Like the primary colors and stuff. like this green, this blue, jumping into royal blue next. They are very accurate.
You done?
I was like, are you talking about me or
No, you.
No. I have a lot more blending to do.
Yeah.
Jumping into the purple shade. This is all the same brush. We're going to be using this brush for a minute because doing 3 different eye colors in my crease. On both eyes. Of course, the pigmentation is there. I feel like the mattes in this are a little bit better. They seem drier, but in like a good way. Like when I was using the Burger palette, they seem a little bit more buttery and like soft. These are just like dry, but still very pigmented. So I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it.
This is orange that I'm placing down.
Aren't you glad you got this palette? I'm gonna jump into red and we're gonna go to the other eye. Start on the inner corner of the crease. But I'm like barely having to dip into these shadows and I'm getting great pigmentation.
I still feel like I would need a white base.
To really get the
yeah, because just even putting the yellow down, it needed the white base. I could tell without it, it would be,
to see that yellow.
Yeah, no way. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with green. Oh, I'm so excited about this color. But then I don't know why, because it looks like spinach out of the Burger palette.
I would say this one's more of a true green versus spinach is slightly lighter. It's still very like dark, but like I don't think that they're exact same. We could do some dupes.
Some swatchies?
Yeah,
Doopy swatchies?
we'll compare some. Okay, jumping into orange. If you didn't own a rainbow palette at this point, this is the time. It's your time to shine.
Is here.
Yeah. And jump into yellow. This is going to be the last crease color. See how well yellow shows up on me. Because this is a very light yellow.
And then we're going to do royal blue.
This is a very literal rainbow eyeliner. I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade F.A.I.R 00. This is the white concealer. And we're going to be using a Morphe 1-70-2 to assist with cutting that.
Okay, and I just want to darken that up a little bit more, so I'm going to go in with navy blue. And I as well will be cutting the crease. So just doing more Drug Lord because that is my crease cut of choice. Okay, going back in with navy blue. Just going to add that to the outer edge. So I want to go in with this white shade. It's like a white gold, I think.
Again, matte white, please. It is like, it's like a champagne. I just want it to.
Adding that to the inner corner.
That is the shade that I am putting all over my lid, and it's going to be the left lid that is white, which is why I went in with a little bit of that.
It's definitely not going to be white when you put it on. Yeah. Yeah, no.
It's like got a champagne-y, like duochrome yellow pink in it. And like beautiful shade, but like a matte would have been just fine.
Okay, so going in with the gold and placing that in the first part of the cut crease.
Okay, jumping into black. I'm using the Sephora Pro 14 to put this matte black on in the white, but I'm gonna have to use the detail brush, the M170-2 to do the part where my creases. I look nuts.
Okay, gold definitely might be a shade best used with a finger. Okay, going in with light green. So definitely all of these metallic shades, I would use a finger.
Yeah, I feel like a pirate.
Like a pirate.
I feel like a pirate.
One more shade. What's it gonna be? Turquoise or violet?
I'm going in with gold, with lower lash line, Morphe E18.
Violet, we're going in with violet.
Violet, you're turning violet, Violet.
Ah, violet's also close. Okay, well, you know what?
Told you. Lots of blues. I'm gonna go in with a highlight. This is the F.A.I.R Beauty, which we have in affiliate code with Fast Times, saves 10%. This is the highlighter Enchantress, and I was like, I'm just gonna have a white highlight today because that makes sense. Okay,
so we're gonna do our mascara, Tarte Big Ego, our liner, Kat Von D Trooper.
Same.
I'm
gonna definitely use the Trooper. I'm going to be using the ColourPop cream gel liner in the Swerve and the Kat Von D Trooper, so this video is going to get even longer. I really like yours. God damn it.
Aww. I like yours.
I'm just
You're
so annoyed.
Editorial, though. I like it.
I'm just so annoyed.
Or you can just take it off if you don't like it.
I've gone too far.
You gone too far. I've gone too far.
Yeah, I should have done the matte side first because I would have seen how much I like that, and then I would have just done it on the other side. But I don't want to cover metallic with matte black.
Now this look deserves lashes.
It just looks like I have eyeliner on one side.
Oh my gosh. I like it. I think it's editorial. It's definitely you. You're out the box.
Doing a nude lip. This is Cuddle Weather from Bellegant. It's just like a nude, like I said.
So I'm wearing the Glamlite lashes. These are the pizza lashes in Margarita. So this is the Too Faced Matte Liquid Lipstick in Unicorn. This is my favorite shade out of the entire line.
Lashes, another affiliate brand of ours. It's Misfit Beauty Co. These are in the style Jasmine. They just are a nice like winged lash. They're super big. Code is fast times 10. It saves you 10%.
Damn. Okay, before I forget about these lashes. Okay.
Yeah, because we've seen you struggle before.
Yes.
We don't want to
always.
We're do some close-ups.
Yes.
So you guys can see up close my Travesty and Chips success.
Unicorn! Just put a unicorn face on me.
I will. I'll give you a little horn.
That's my unicorn mating call.
The whole rest of the time. Like a dolphin?
Oh, is that what dolphins do? My bad. Oops. I'll work on it.
Guys, so here's the final look. It's been 10 seconds for y'all. It's been like 3 hours for us. So I feel like Goth Pirate on one side. Which is looking definitely a lot more cohesive than mine.
Oh, I like yours. You're so editorial though. Like if I tried that, it would not come together. I know it. I would just put black and then just be done.
Honestly, if I hadn't done the white side first, I probably would have ended up doing black.
Would you have kept the colors the same, but then just put black on?
Yeah, I would have just done black and then the gold underneath.
Yeah. But I like it. And the lashes popping as always. Y'all need to check out her Insta. Check out them lashes. I need to go get mine refilled, so I'm gonna say goodbye to lashes again for a little bit. For a little bit.
Strip lash is so much cheaper over time.
It is, but I do like the naturality.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do want to see us make some other looks with this that aren't just completely rainbow in your face, just let us know. Put it down in the comments. Hit us up on Instagram. All of it is sugarandspice_makeup, and you can reach us there on DM or on our Facebook page. We have both. See you guys on the next video. Bye!